Hi, today's video is about a 2-in-1 product from MHW3 Bomber, a coffee bean dosing tray with a built-in scale, and it comes with a RDT spray bottle as a set. RDT stands for Ross Droplet Technique. So what is RDT? It's a method whereby a fine mist of water is added onto the surface of the coffee beans before grinding them. This helps to reduce the amount of coffee ground that clings to the grinder due to static during the grinding process and minimizes mess. Let's see what is in the box. An oval coffee beans dosing tray, an anti-static spray bottle, and a charging cable. This is a 2-in-1 product combining a dosing tray with an integrated weighing scale. It is made from real walnut wood. The accuracy is 0.1 gram and the weighing range is from 0.3 gram to 200 gram. The integrated weighing scale is accurate. The display screen is an LED type and touch sensitive. Short press to power on, long press to power off. When the power is on and there's a need to tare, just a short press to reset to 0. Low battery is indicated by LO on the LED screen. A USB Type-C charging port is at the bottom. When fully charged, 3 small squares will be displayed. With no activity for 3 minutes, the dosing scale will automatically power off. The maximum capacity is about 30 gram. With a funnel-shaped spout, together with a spout angle of about 45 degrees, pouring of coffee beans into your grinder is easy with no spillage. The total length is about 11 cm. This is the anti-static of RDT spray bottle. The casing is made of aluminium alloy for durability. To raise the spray bottle, simply twist the top part clockwise and anti-clockwise for the bottle to go down. To remove the bottle, just leave it up. The bottle is made of high borosilicate glass and the maximum capacity is about 10 ml. Overall, this 2-in-1 dosing tray with a built-in scale is convenient and saves some time on your coffee preparation without needing 2 separate products, a weighing scale and a dosing tray. Not forgetting the included RDT spray to reduce the static of your coffee grounds and mess. Hopefully you find this video useful. We hope to see you in our next video. Take care and have a great day.